Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Okay, so I've got there 3 fillets of a dory fish, a white frozen dory fish. Defrosted that out by putting it into some cold water and just left it for a little bit. Then I've cut it into nice small pieces, kind of bite-sized little kind of chunky bits. What we're going to do now is we're going to get some seasoned flour on that and we're going to fry that off. So 7 tablespoons of plain flour there. And then I've got some spices, equal parts, equal amounts. So I've got allspice or pimento, paprika, black pepper, cumin, turmeric, chili, and celery salt. There's about a teaspoon or just over a teaspoon of each. What we're going to do is we're just going to give that a little mix. So we've got some lovely seasoned flour. Now think about ginger powder, garlic powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, any other herbs you can put in there. I like this little combo. So there's our beautiful seasoned flour. What we're going to do is we're just going to drop our fish in, give it a nice little mix up in there, and then shake each individual piece off. Very simple. June? Okay, so there's the fish coated nicely and then just shaken off, get any excess flour away from it. Okay, so what I've done here is I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could use a corn oil or canola, something like that. In it goes into a nice wok or a skillet. You're heating it up. We need to get that oil really nice and hot, and then we're going to drop in those lovely seasoned coated floured pieces of fish. Now they're going to cook really quickly in there, you know, because the oil is so hot and the fish is really light and thin. So I reckon about 4 minutes. Once we've done that, I'm going to get it out. I'm going to put it onto some paper towel, get rid of any excess oil. Now, by the way, I'm going to be doing this probably in 2 or 3 batches. It's really important not to crowd the pan, otherwise they stick together. So yeah, 4 or 5 minutes, lovely golden brown, nice and crispy. Out they come, and they're delicious. So easy. Now, if you want, you could do the same with chicken breast.